Hi guys, Cykaniki here. Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to do an elf crying with blood for Halloween series. So I blacked my brows already and then proceeded with this white base. Always don't forget to blend and please follow the steps. It's super easy and this is very good for Halloween season if you're just partying or just at the house na mag-Halloween, gusto lang mag-Halloween. So, watch till the end and thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and be excited for my next video. So see you soon. Bye-bye. Sarang God bless.